$10.
Well, that's too low.
Right.
Why?
All right, multi-home sale. Let's go.
We can push this around to the different yard sales space.
Yeah. Yes. What do we got here? Pioneer multi-disc player. How much is it? Is there a price on it? Let's see. $5. Is it new? Is it new?
It looked, but then it looks like just be packed away.
It's worth $5. Worth getting for $5.
You want me to hold on to it?
Yeah, pick it up. What?
The
Survival kit?
in the sardine can.
Wow.
That is
If you turn it over, it shows you what's inside.
Look at that. It's kind of neat.
Yeah,
Is this your sale?
yeah.
$5 on this? Is that what you?
That is Frederick, or the girl.
Okay, so all right, everybody has their own table. I gotcha.
Well,
sorta.
it's just sort of kind of.
Sort of, kind of, just kind of everywhere.
Yeah, the gal with the pink right here. She's,
So that's for that. Okay, perfect.
she's pink.
Thank you. Hi there.
Hi.
I'm gonna grab this for $5.
Yeah, that's a deal. There's no remote, but because it was part of the home entertainment center, which is also for sale for like $5 if you're interested in the home entertainment center. I just
Okay.
don't have it out yet.
Okay.
Are you interested in home
What comes with it? Like a bunch of speakers and stuff,
Frederick? I have to ask my husband. Frederick. He's the electronic guy. I said that this was part of a home entertainment center and does have a remote, and that the home entertainment center, if interested, also was for sale. What all's in it? Speakers?
It's just speakers, yeah, 5 speakers and the receiver.
Because it's a home theater. You know, we had it at home, like
Yep.
a man cave.
Yep.
It was part of a man cave.
Gotire.
Yeah, but I made him retire the man cave. Is it
At
something
what
you'd be
age
interested
does
in?
the man he retired
Well, you
just
know.
for my future reference?
Yeah. Well, when the kids reached a certain age, it became a kid cave. It
Oh,
switched from
gotcha,
man cave to kid cave.
That's funny.
And then Daddy got kicked out.
All right, we'll take this for $5.
Okay,
There you
great.
go.
Let me just take your 5 and the tag for the accountant
Oh.
over there.
Yeah.
And I'll do that for you. Enjoy.
Thank you very much. Really appreciate it. You have a good day.
Open it.
What is this? Oh, wow. That is cool. What is this? Like wine?
That looks like a great night.
And that has never been opened. I mean, that's not a fake
thought it
bottle,
had
I
never
don't
been
think.
opened, but it looks
Well,
like
it
it's
might
been
have
twisted.
been.
Yeah.
Put another one in.
Yeah.
If you want to buy it, we'll get another bottle.
That is neat. $6?
$6.
That's good if you go on picnics.
Yeah. Very, very cool.
It is. It's old-fashioned, though, I can tell you.
If you don't want to buy an opened bottle, I have a French brandy that's never been opened instead.
Oh.
Same price.
The French brandy would be worth the price. Probably shine it up.
Shine it up.
You have to go, as she says, on picnics or something. Or
Yeah.
This is instead because it's not good to have a bottle of
Oh, the stuff underneath there, too. I mean, everything that's supposed to be in here is in here somewhere.
There you go.
Yeah. Well, anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, the box, yeah, it caught my eye a little bit.
As far as I'm concerned, it's, but I don't. You could show off, but I don't know where else you could use it. But it's.
Yeah, it is pretty neat.
It looks like the kind of stuff they had in the 20s and 30s. You know.
Yeah. Imperial.
There's nothing wrong with it as far as I know.
I'll pick it up just because I think it's really cool.
I don't touch many. I can't be trusted.
You can't be trusted. It's okay. I'm in the same boat.
They just tell me what to do and what they usually say nothing. So then there's do nothing and nothing will happen to you.
Yeah.
So whose sale is it? Who's the money person?
Yellow.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna pick that up for $6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good,
Thank you very
have fun.
much. I will.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
You really got a bargain, really.
Yeah.
It's neat. The booze alone.
It looks like it's been around.
Yeah.
And so, you know, you say, boy, I've used that a lot.
Yeah.
What do you mean? We do this every
I think you could clean
weekend.
it up with a leather cleaner and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
That's really
even
neat.
So it's complete with all the original tools and everything. It's just been hanging around for a while.
Cool.
Yeah, have fun with it.
I will.
You can be a
Date
real
night.
good bartender.
Yes. Okay, you have a good day.
Have a good one. Stay cool. Morning.
Good morning. How are you?
How are you?
Good.
Trying to stay cool over here.
Oh yeah. It is cool. It's nice and cool here in the shade. It's getting hot fast though. Whew.
And then this thing. That's pretty cool too. We just got married and we have all these mason jars, and I just saw the mason jar in there. I'm like, I don't even know what to do with that.
I think we're good. Thank you though. Thank you.
Oh,
So these couple sales here, kind of a bust. That one that we just hit had a couple cool little trinket things, but oh my goodness, the prices. $25. Nope.
I did think it was cool that the boot with the helmet on it and like
Yeah.
the canteen. I thought those were really cool, but yeah, that would have been $50 to get this.
Yeah, no, I'm all set, buddy. They'll never sell that stuff either. Probably. Not for those
somebody
prices.
No, for reselling, I don't think that.
Yeah,
it'll be somebody
true.
who wants those. Like, if we were to resell those things, that would probably be maybe the price or along more those lines.
Yeah. But man.
I was gonna ask a really stupid question.
What?
About the house. I'm like, how do those people get in their house?
Oh,
But it's because the other side had the door.
yeah.
I
All
don't
right,
know.
well, moving on. Are we too early?
Hello? No, you're not too early.
Okay.
You won't believe it when people come here.
Really?
It's 7:30 in the morning.
Oh, wow.
Get on the door. Hello.
Yeah. So can I come and look? I just got here. Yeah. So, what time is it?
It's like 9:20.
Oh.
Yeah. It's getting hot. Wow.
3:30 it's in here. Yeah, it is. Well, good day for the beach.
It is. I think we're going to go to the beach later.
Yeah.
Is this new?
Yeah.
It is? Oh, cool. What is that?
Very patriotic.
For amber waves of grain.
And this one says, "Oh, beautiful,
America the beautiful."
for spacious eyes."
Yeah. I'm going to pass on Steins, but they are cool.
Pretty cool.
They are cool. Man. What would you want for that little coffee maker right there?
I don't know. What would you pay?
$5? Is that fine? Let's see. Hopefully I got it. I don't think I have, do you have change for a 20? I hate to ask that. Only got a few ones.
It's 11.
That's close enough.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah, that's fine.
Don't
Okay.
second guess them. Just take it. Take it.
That's fine.
I didn't wanna.
No big deal.
No, you're good.
It's my fault. I should have had change. I didn't. I had like $3, but
Yeah.
no problem. Where is it? Oh, right here. I'm like, where is it? All right, well, thank you. I really appreciate it.
Thanks for coming.
What's that? Cookbooks?
You can have it. Take it. Sure.
Okay.
I want to get you some more of your change.
No,
back.
that's all right.
All right, thank you.
My main intention is to clean out the garage.
If you've seen my cooking, you'll know that.
She needs that.
You need it?
She does.
I make a DiGiorno pizza and I even burn that.
Yeah,
I
she.
gotta make macaroni and cheese and turn into soup. It's very
Oh
interesting.
boy.
Yeah.
You have to just be patient and read the instructions.
I think the problem is I sit there and I watch it and then I like the cat
You get
runs
impatient.
by and then
Oh.
I'm like, oh.
Well, don't touch the cat when you're making pizzas.
Yeah.
I bought the house out of Austin. Yeah.
Oh, so you're flipping it?
Yeah.
That's cool.
So just
Nice.
just
You like flip them and resell them?
Yep. That's,
Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, so
Nice.
it's a two-family home.
Yeah.
But once I'm just waiting for the shingles to get changed. I'm gonna paint it like this tan,
Yep.
stone-colored tan, and I think it'll really look nice. All the shingles tucked in, it'll look awesome.
It'd be great for commuters too with the main.
Yeah, it's a good
If
location.
someone wants to use it, an investment to rent out.
Yeah.
Easily
Yeah.
get
Yes.
$3,000 a month. From two sides. $2,000 on this side. This is a 4-bedroom, 1.5 bath on that side, and then a 2-bedroom, 1 bath on the other
And
side.
it's already divided?
Yeah,
Nice.
it's illegal to.
Wow. Cool. Well, good luck.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Thanks. Hello. How are you? Oh. Man, it's getting hot out.
Very hot.
Man.
When I turn my hands on the pizza box, put them on top of the oven, so they're always looking hot.
That's pretty neat.
I just walk
How much did you want for the Xbox?
to bacon off, but I don't know. That doesn't go with it.
It does work?
Oh, yeah.
Is the controller over there?
Yeah, right here. I see it.
Yep.
Yeah, everything works. I don't remember. 40, 30. Yeah, I'm not good at it. $30 for all of it? Give me an offer. We're not shy.
Would you do 20?
It's all you.
Yeah? Okay. Here you go. $20. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Better than sitting on the basement. Actually, no, that one was amazing.
Find anything else cool? Oh, that's cool. Little Pez dispensers.
Jackson asked me if Darley asked me if I'm going to bring us on vacation.
You guys been busy this morning?
Yeah, actually.
Really busy? Yeah.
Too bad. Trying to get it done before noontime before it gets real.
Yeah, I hear you. It's gonna get bad. It's like it's supposed to be like 100 degrees or something.
Yeah. But feel like it's going to be more.
Yeah.
You know.
Exactly. With the humidity and stuff.
It's going to feel like 110, 115.
Exactly.
I
Exactly.
don't know what you guys are doing, but yeah.
Yeah.
You're gonna hide
We're
in
probably going home after this.
This afternoon, yeah, good
Yeah.
idea, right?
Yeah.
Absolutely, yeah.
It's pretty neat. Harry Potter thing. What's this here?
It's art.
Oh. Yeah.
Why don't you pick up one piece and I'll pick up the other.
There we go.
The box just goes with it.
Like piggy? Are these like piggy banks or something?
What?
Are these like piggy banks or something?
Yes,
Yeah.
Yeah.
that's what they are, yeah.
That's pretty neat.
That's why there's a slit on the top.
Well, yeah. I just figured I'd ask anyway.
They're brand new, yeah, keys over, yeah, just took them out of the box.
Yeah. The cones are up.
They're not
Yeah.
90s, early 90s, late 80s, you know.
Yep. They are neat.
Yeah.
The little cheese.
What would you want for both of those? Oops. And then
It actually,
this thing, and then the manual,
Smart
the truck manual.
that's what
I've got a Chevy.
It was rolling up.
Smart.
What'd you want for that thing?
Make it offer, yeah.
I like how you throw it back.
Take a buck on it?
Like,
What are they, Pez? What are they? What are they, Pez?
A little, yeah, Harry Potter Pez dispensers.
You do. It's all, I don't know. You're getting the dollar, so if that's what you want. Will you give her $2 for it?
I would do $2 on it.
You just gotta swindle people.
I can't do that.
Give me 20. You can have those two, and that.
I just work at a
So $18 and $9 a piece. So those are worth like $40.
Okay.
On eBay. I looked it up.
That's fair.
Bad, you know what I mean?
No, he's probably gonna put those up at the house.
Yeah, look at it. That's
On
exactly
those little
perfect.
Shelf things.
Yep, like I said, they came in the box. You can put them right in the back in the box now if you want. Or what.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Yeah.
Look, he even packages on
I know. Look at this guy.
Oh, goodness.
Got all the paperwork and stuff in there.
Oh, that's awesome.
Thank you.
You live around here?
What's that? Yeah, we live right over in Epping. Yeah, yep.
Just trying to beat the heat. Yeah. there you go.
Yeah, we're going home after
That
this.
too. Go ahead.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Oops, I didn't put this in
I didn't know
the,
if that was the right year.
the S10.
Yeah.
94 to 01. That's when they made. They made S10s before that. Before 94.
Why isn't that fitting?
Is it It does go in there. Maybe it's just not sitting in there. Right?
Maybe this way?
No, I don't think it was that way.
Put this in that red. That's for that.
Oh,
that
right.
box.
Cool. Ooh, that's neat.
We still have some food in there. And both those signs work. Plug them in.
Look at it.
Is that the clock one?
No, this is just the regular neon.
Oh, yep. Yep. I honestly have never seen some of this stuff in my life before. Amazing.
How much is the Schlitz sign? Schlitz. It's hard to say. Schlitz.
Your sign.
Make an offer.
Wow, the theme of the
Make
day.
offers.
Make an offer.
I mean, I gotta get that one. I got this one, and it does work.
$10.
Well, that's too little.
Why?
Why?
Get rid of this shit. Say 15. Come on. Come on,
All right,
dude.
$10. You're fine.
$10. All right.
It works, so plug it in and
All right. I believe you.
have a little man light. Well, I'll
I
plug
believe
it
you.
right now if you want.
Oh, wait.
Oh, perfect. Cool.
It's only, it's 83. It's not super old, you know what I mean?
Yep.
It's a fake neon looking at it. You know what I mean? It's not like, you know what I mean?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
There you go, guys.
There you go.
Thank you, guys.
No, thank you.
Well, thank you. We got all kinds of stuff from you. Look at that. Awesome.
As long as it goes in.
I really like this sign. That's cool. Thank you for the crate too. Appreciate that.
Have a good one.
You too. Try to stay cool. Yeah, so that's the most we spent at a yard sale in a while. $50, but a little more than I wanted to pay, honestly, but
I think the last time we did that was the Ataris.
yeah. We'll get the $50 back just from the Xbox, I think. That's a newer Xbox 360.
Good on that road.
Appears to be in good condition too. It came with one game, Minecraft, so we'll make out all right on those. Hi.
Thanks.
Yeah, so that's pretty much gonna conclude this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. We picked up some pretty decent stuff at that sale. We spent $50, which is kind of a lot of money for us to spend at a garage sale. Usually we don't spend that much typically. But I think we're making out pretty good on that deal. You'll see later this week. But yeah, I think that was a good deal overall. But if you guys saw anything that we missed, make sure to let us know. We love learning new things about things to look out for and stuff that we missed and stuff like that. But anyway, I think that will pretty much do it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next one.
Keep dreaming, you crazy little dreamers.